You might have seen the Great Zimbabwe bird on Zimbabwe's national flag, or maybe you've seen it minted on Zimbabwean coins. But you probably don't realize that there were at least 8 Great Zimbabwe birds found inside the enclosure at Great Zimbabwe. In 1891, James Theodore Bent was commissioned to investigate the Great Zimbabwe ruins. This was following the British South Africa Company's invasion of Mashonaland. Bent recorded that there were 8 birds, 6 of them were large, and 2 of them were small, and that there had probably originally been more birds, as there were several additional stone pedestals, of which the tops had been broken off. Zimbabwe history. Let's keep on learning.